In this video, we're going to show you how to fix Claude Sonnet 4.6 routing every request to the long context tier. When working with Claude Sonnet 4.6, you may notice that some requests are automatically routed to a long context processing tier. This usually happens when the system detects that a prompt might require extended context handling, even if your task is relatively simple. While long context processing can be helpful for large documents, code bases, or complex multi-step reasoning, it is not always necessary. If every request is being routed to the long context tier, you may experience slower responses or inefficient usage of resources. This behavior is typically influenced by prompt size, conversation history, or how much context is being carried forward in the session. The good news is that you can reduce unnecessary long context routing by managing your inputs and session structure more efficiently. By the end of this video, you'll learn a couple of simple methods to keep your requests lightweight and avoid unnecessary long context processing. So let's get started. The first method is to reduce the amount of context you include in each prompt. Instead of pasting long conversations, entire files, or large blocks of code, focus only on the specific section relevant to your task. For example, if you're debugging an issue, include only the function or module where the problem occurs, rather than the full project. This helps the model treat the request as a smaller, more targeted task. Another effective method is to start a fresh session when working on a new task. Long chat histories can accumulate enough context that even small prompts appear to require long context processing. By using a new session, you reset the context window and give Claude a clean environment to work in. This often results in faster responses and more efficient routing behavior. In some cases, it can also help to summarize previous work instead of carrying full history forward. A short project summary preserves important information while removing unnecessary detail that may trigger long context handling. In most situations, these simple adjustments are enough to resolve the issue. Now, let's quickly recap what we covered. First, reduce unnecessary input by only including relevant code or information. Second, start a fresh session when switching tasks or when conversations become too long. And third, use concise summaries instead of full history when continuing work. Remember that long context processing is designed for complex tasks, but not every request requires it. Keeping your prompts focused and lightweight helps improve speed and efficiency in your workflow. It also ensures that Claude only uses extended processing when it is truly needed. A few small changes in how you structure your prompts can significantly improve performance and reduce unnecessary long context routing. And that's how to fix Claude Sonnet 4.6 routing every request to the long context tier. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and share it with others who use Claude and other AI tools. Your support helps us create more tutorials, productivity guides, and practical AI workflows to help you get better results from your projects. If there's another Claude feature or workflow you'd like us to cover, feel free to leave a comment below. We'd love to hear your suggestions and ideas for future videos. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.